Just a quick video, very quick, of what I've been building. Corsair 850 watt power supply. Asus motherboard. AMD Ryzen 9 3900X CPU, 12 core, base clock, 3.8 gigahertz. 32 gigabytes of ballistic crucial RAM, 3200 megahertz. Was not able to get a newer graphics card due to shortages, etc. But my current computer has a GTX 1660 Ti in it that I will be taking out. I'm currently waiting for my NVMe M.2 drive to show up. Got a 2 terabyte Samsung Evo 970. And I plan on putting my 500 gigabyte SATA, that's in my old drive, in here, and a 1 terabyte mechanical. But that is pretty much it. Just a quick look through of my new PC build.